Welcome back and thanks for joining us. Meteorologist Lauren Kreidler here with you. And yep, we are tracking the tropics in nearly mid-November, which isn't impossible, of course. I mean, we're seeing it right here, but also because hurricane season doesn't end officially until November 30th. But typically we start to see activity decrease as we go throughout the months of November especially. But here we are tracking an area that has a high 80% chance of developing over the next 7 days. So something we'll continue to watch as it works its way into the Caribbean. Again, an 80% chance of developing. And here's a look inside the forecast. We are expecting development possible with this and very likely as it enters an environment that's conducive for development. Not a lot of wind shear there and ample good conditions to develop. And then that front will push its way to the east, and this can help that move into the Gulf, but we'll be watching this over the next 10 days. If this were to get a name, the next name on our list is Sarah. So of course our Wink Weather Authority team will continue to keep you updated on the very latest. But for now, let's focus on this local forecast because it is a very beautiful start to the day. I mean, very beautiful looking over Sanibel Island, blue skies and over that Ding Darling Wildlife Preserve, and overall temperatures starting out rather warm this morning. 81 degrees already in Fort Myers, 84 in Punta Gorda, 81 in Ave Maria. We reached 90 degrees yesterday in Punta Gorda, expecting to do that yet again today as we go throughout the afternoon. Our temperature is warming right on up. Almost doesn't feel like fall, feels more like summer when you look at these temperatures. Of course, near record highs. Our record high was 91 for Fort Myers on this day, and we are expecting to top out around 90 degrees today, so not far off from that. Golden Gate, Ave Maria also expecting to top out at 90 degrees. 89 for Babcock Ranch, 87 for Englewood, 87 also on Marco Island. Winds blowing out of the northeast around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Future track shows we stay mostly dry as we go throughout the afternoon today. So not expecting rain to be a factor in our forecast today. Stray shower can't be ruled out, but aside from that, staying mostly dry with sun and clouds and of course those above normal temperatures as we go throughout the afternoon. Looking at your 7 to 10 day forecast for today, 90 degrees, the warmest day over the next 7, over the next 10. Stray shower possible today into tomorrow. And then as we go towards the end of the week, we'll start to see a stronger front push its way south towards us here in Southwest Florida, meaning our temperatures will feel very pleasant by this weekend. Look at that weekend forecast, 81 degrees on Saturday, less humid air, kind of feeling more like November time we get to the weekend. Sun and clouds in the forecast for Sunday. Temperatures right where we should be this time of year, around 83 degrees. And then we'll stay in the low 80s for next week.